Yorubo na niyo sa'yo. Guys, ito na yung part 14, last part ng mga vocabulary na sinusort out natin from book to na minimorize ko dati nung ako nag-exam. So sa mga mag-exam, kung gusto maipasa yung exam, dapat i-memorize nyo talaga ito. Sun Bankige, left. Sun Jingkok, develop country. Sun Pungge, fun. Supsupada, to be sorry, to be regretful. Sulal, Lunar New Year's Day. Song Myuhada, to pay one's respects at one's ancestor's grave. Song Bomche, sexual assault. Song Dam, sexual or sex-based jokes. Song Sokpyo, report card. Sigom, taxes. Sibihada, to give a New Year's bow. Sibitunol Batda, to receive New Year's cash gifts. Sibitunol Juda, to give New Year's cash gift. Si Taxil, laundry room. So, cow. Sugugi, beef. Sumultuida, to lapse. Susok, affiliation. Suunol Pilda, to make a wish. Soomsong Nanchong, noise induce hearing loss. Soomisimada, to be noisy. Suuta, small. Swagi, fire extinguisher. Suksangada, to be upset with oneself. Son Karagi Kiida, to get one's finger cough. Son Karagi Tira, to burn one's finger. Son Karagi Pida, to get a cut on one's finger. Sun Karagi Chalida, to get one's fingers cut off. Hampuruhada, to behave arrogantly. Apyukada, to pass an exam. Apyuk Cherio, legal stay. Igohada, to fire. Hinduka, handcart. Hugaso, consent form, permission form. Utok, pancake stuffed with brown sugar. Umi, ho. Uto, hose. Hoisoto, hoist. Hununida, to give a scolding. Humulpada, to make a grove. Waganada, to get angry. Wagi Kumzi, to open fire. Warunida, to lose one temper. Wasangul Ipda, to be born. Wazisago, conflagration. Wayada, to reconcile. Waginada, to check. Wangap, one's 60th birthday. Wangihada, to ventilate. Wansungada, to farewell. Wanyuhada, to welcome. Wanpungge, ventilator. Wisik, company dinners. Wisigudada, to go out to dinner with co-workers. Yogarulnida, to submit a vacation request. Yogarulbatta, to receive vacation time.